abo mwendo gw'abantu abarukufa oburo bwa COVID-19 nabo abarukufa bino boneronko bwa COVID-19 kweyongera muri Hoima ahariho abanyabuzare b'abantu abaherize kuzikwa abatuiro kwetumbita kwabo mu kakiko akubatiro kurwanisa kujanjara kwa COVID-19 omuri Hoima bari kugira ngo abashaho ahirwaru ya Hoima bakabashaba miliyoni emwe
tukisangire ngo hari waro rete regional referral hospital habere hotimu yabagezegeze muno umuntu bwakufana batera family zabo babasaba sente manezo kujya kuzikana ibito gusana biti ebyo natuyemerize nabweki obujunanizibwa obukuzikisa abantu no supervisinga kuzika abantu abafire na COVID-19 bugarwiro mu office ya mukuru w'ebyo wa district
Samuel Kisembo arari orukora COVID-19 task force ya Hoima yagamba ngo batandikira kucondoza nshongeje rero orakwatwe atwaro mu mikono ya polisi
nabweki abondo bano abantu tujya kubaseguza abahaywaraho kandi abandi nabajya kumarira bari mu nkomo tujya kumarira bakira bari mu nkomo abo kwitaba mu bintu ibyo gusohoza sente gusaba abantu sente hariho ababirene bagamba ngo nkirwariro na task force tabakine sente ejo kshasura abatendekiro kuzika abafa bwa COVID-19 biti Kisembo yabahakanisa kugira ngo ekibatine nebyabashaho barukwejo nusabari aha mu rumonko gum challenge twine area personal protective equipments abasaho baitu twina abasaho ka 10 abatwasiwe uburoire bwa COVID-19 kandi twine kunihira ngo bakabwiha mu mirimo yabo bakora.
We can't lobby much because we are limited in movements. Now we cannot say that RDs today let's go to the ministry and lobby for this. You must lobby on phone, keep on phone. Sometimes they are not picking, sometimes they are picking.
District ya Hoima hamuna no rembo rwa Hoima hati n'abantu batana bahamibwe ngubisi rwo burwe bwa COVID-19 obarire muna no mushawirwa rya Butema Health Center ya Kashatu gasha kwa Ambrose no wagaba katoto.